Hey guys, it's Derica Denise and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys how I package and ship my wigs out to my customers. My dog wants to be, you want to be in the video? Say hi. Say hi. You need a haircut. She needs a haircut so bad. So this is an actual wig that I am sending out today. This is a full lace wig. Hold on one second. Boom. So cute. Full lace wig, custom colored. We got the emerald. We got the green, apple green, lime green. It's gorgeous, honey. First off, let me show you guys the box. Okay, here is the box. Mystic mermaid hair, so cute. I know. It's simple, has my logo, nice. I ordered these boxes off of Pack Lane. I'll put that in the description box. Super affordable. You need a simple box to put your merchandise in. Boom, there you go. Opens like this, cute. So what I do to add a little razzle dazzle is I add a little colorful tissue paper because I'm a colorful girl. We're gonna do some yellow, some hot pink, you feel me? With some sky blue. And we're gonna do a deep blue, honey. So once I have the cute little tissue paper in, I put the wig in, make her real cozy, you know what I'm saying? Like so. Cute, so cute. And then I take the outer tissue paper, close it up, and I put my thank you card on there with a little coupon for your next visit. I place that on top and we're good to go. So when I send out like bundles, closures, and frontals, I actually use a satin bag instead of putting it in a huge box. I actually use a satin bag instead of putting it in a huge box, unless it's like multiple bundles and closures to where it's like, you know, can fill up that space. But for the most part, most of my customers who purchase hair just do the typical 3 bundles and a closure or a frontal, and that usually fits in the satin bag. So here's the satin bag that I put the bundles and frontals and closures in. So I recently purchased a label printer to pretty much print my shipping labels from home. And when I tell you guys, that has pretty much changed my life, like so great. Let me show you the label printer right now. Okay, you guys, this is the label printer that I purchased. I ordered it off of Amazon, and I'll be sure to put the link to it in the description box. Wow, it's a little greasy, sorry. I don't know how to say this, but this is the brand. Yeah, super inexpensive and convenient. I love it and I recommend it for anybody. It's compatible with Mac computers as well as Windows, I believe. It'll have more information about that on their Amazon page, but yeah, this is what I use. So I already printed out the shipping label, keeping it turned over because it's private information on the other side. But I usually print them off of USPS.com, do the priority 2-day, 3-day mail. So for my wigs, the weight usually is around 1 pound to like 1 pound, 5 ounces, with the packaging and the box and everything. So for this one, it cost me $13.65. Let me guys show you the mailer that I put in. Isn't this the cutest? Okay, just think about it. Think about it for a second. Mystic mermaid hair, okay? Mermaid hair, mermaid scale purchased these mailer bags off of Amazon. So my business is now a year old and it is still growing. Along with it growing, I am growing, and I'm still learning new ways of handling my business and doing certain things. But as of now, this has worked for me pretty well. So if you're starting out a hair business or thinking about it and you're not really sure about how to go about your packaging and the supplies and stuff, I really hope this video helps you out. When I first started out, I was confused myself, but a little bit of trial and error, definitely watching other people's videos and doing research helped, and this is the outcome and I love it. I do know that packaging and the way that your products look to the consumer is very important, and so I feel like this is appealing to customers, and I also feel like it reflects me and my company in a tasteful way, in a tasteful and fun way, you know? So yeah, let me finish. I'm gonna put the box into the mailer bag. This is it. Once I close it, I'm going to take the shipping label and literally just smack it right here in the middle, and then put a little bit of tape around the perimeter. Why did I say it like that? We're done. Package is finished. Boom. That is how I send out my wigs. I think it's so adorable, and I really hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you have any advice or pointers you want to give out, definitely let me know. I think this is a great space to like go back and forth with feedback and advice. So if you have any pointers, feel free to let me know. I'm always willing to learn or figure out new ways to do stuff or easier ways to package or ship stuff out. I'm gonna put all of the links to everything that I mentioned in the description box. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.